Well, Nini, I'm Diane Ibra. I hope everybody is doing fine. Yeah, Nini. And about na me for the first time, yes, Nini. And as I navi dire revideo amida, me kanye Nini o. Anyare kohi ajen. Once again, Mario Ometere Messi Udon. Yes, asa kwa meku baba inoson on the mivasi video am Geneve. Just like imeledia kave. This is health is wealth. Ituman of a car enwoneya of izeni. And then I'm committed to doing a video on natural and nutritional health remedy because I am my heart draws near home. And I really would like ka azayene hiehi in a raw video non then da azayene hizo in a reye omevoroko amesuvo peum. And wearing in a jen asumanika ono bazia meyan, yes. Ve me ye de me veno bazin because mesikawe renine esemaka umere ma se camera ve kawere netere uziame ini obazia mo yanin emechirin. And ora mi raye va no me hure chire ma bi di chire da do yin agove nweteze na memeya so later de me va ye me vro kama koko me de me do mani yetere mara have you known it many times because me say gwazovo me say gwazovo is a nane like cause na manenyi enwoze donyokon enana yem they see me there so the mass ogumvo one so because ogumvo because enyizos azuruzi is a nani in South Africa and then a gift on inye and ever bozo on your ever bozo yan and wadaka yan do we your mevrokawa may apply and in ire so ani kozo kiwe dozo kiwe and dozo ya mevoroko ozo resa doze mahonoti no ochewan. So emire ya jene onyara oni oje unini onyeza unini azia unini because my kama inyo grandparents to ehi so arihine and I raw video noni arihin asakwa kama show evo jonel ka avore kene masemen but mesi kaza ye o openene ezure kosenan denere kosenan and presentation amagin ese meseva agin ovire yo uzin onero memevo ahono onovro kozo rating ochenwu onro okure renyi ononye omogumvo do kukwoze or do meko or less impact kwono do less or do reduce do kachiche that's kwono vovo ya gigirigi no chenwoza because omuri hi sorry oboro meyeza but as anyi kene ere yen so agova vovu video ni mamanin wata mayin ni no sanana observatory makare yo epehu then another observatory no sana parahu and the message zone o mevoro kame ne pepehu agovo jero aboze because ezenye akonya enwoze na enyokote na but eneye several because orisa ozarisa da ikave nwa ase John boy ya yo mevoro kaya me de yavario onye ngwozo voka saza nyoko ozo de nyoko do we vede yen onye omogun voka ukono odahi wa de nyoko do yen dure ni ro adokita dara ka osana ameon de wanye oye omevro ka wa memi sono do wari sono ogunvo ni mi save of onyo ari nde pemi suvopo esemaka ani asakwa ekamesha bani kebira but ari na veva pete the main point is ka ozokose esanava ameka enwayo dahi ameme ese sorry mahonoti no chen because no more great grandparent ne ma eke jono e ma na nya seviti e ma na nyo adokita ni hete in Africa jono so sorry no na ese mo ozenwone ya adakava na seviti da national seviti mega kasa na seviti arin adokita ni epeneko inao ehoza o imitoju oban when that dokita when ya isana mel na va dokita na remeni des vo peu ahono na achere yo do wario oboda so do wasuo pe do wario ameka wario aso rio hu na mekawario aso dere rio less amevoro kawario ama isoro no ware wa sipo support ahụ n'ọnụ nwaanyị ọrụ support ọzamozaria na nahi adokita uvere ka nwa ova ada hido koko je kakaraka de nwa kokozo ada kave ke anyo nwura whatever it is onozo onye tinocheun does asuvo pe one do the suvo pisono wa do were carelessly uvere ka nwa ova hora ada hi so ere yo uzi ononi mesevaje ono mede mese camera mvino bazen so the music camera have no baze ka were the ka maka ave mi mera mese mahe because omeyani dozo nyo alafia dozo mehe anyi kozo risoboro isoro no ware tinereka ono ve hono men anavo kikiki anovin and anye uhwe ehevo ime you know so my car na bobo pemido nehi ari na sai hiu ni na azamio are me wa manire ro mo na ade papa wonu we read documentary amono ni pemi subscribe uveri red line and I is on actually subscribe to ari pemi subscribe wa like can do mani ani zamba ya mani sigege here de ore like can agova aza na avo anaye wa nehizo enirere ka ani so bora na manana asai ka kenya kene akakoveminya emaka koveminya wa ekimesho mmeye knowledge no ndimi kiwa ndimi ye and then me setenereka do de onere ye but so uruvi survive ayo hini survive ka ma yesa then anyazo ne need and the menya kaka okay ane yon you know the mercenereka and of course okoroni mame of onon so I said that to me of recorrection that to you as in ye but it's on your vika it's on where cosam do way and do way you van a so short head because wa short hair when you defend Daniel so it's a message general so any kawaye I'm a rokawe law it's on a message general one you get in touch bury they make cow or me va mukoro your chenwa because our boss are really as ever nyonya it's a nezo zayosa ozo mazo zayozinyao or it's nezo zayozinya ozo mazo zayosa kawa anyanyo nwura we lose o mean cause nesana are nyanyo nwura don reduce kavo ma mukoron because ozoza ochenwo ozoza ever nyonyo ovi and esame menya mukoron enwo ozoza ever nyonyo ovi so inakwe aje nonon yeah so it nipo uzimi 7 okay so bitter leaf nutritional benefits to human health is so enormous. It's enormous agigirigian abesonu zinya men ochem ororo so miss kawa suto penine avo so today's own is about bitter leaf nutritional and medical benefit to human health and lifestyle to your health and your lifestyle what bitter leaf can do to improve your lifestyle and your medical conditions okay so it's a mess of non bitter leaf anuma kamis kama kane ivo because menyon kano ebira is a kind of technical terms on email so ivo ma se kane so asuto pete bitter leaf exhibits some antibacterial and antifungal property that makes it a good natural and nutritional remedy to human health conditions. I hope ka oye onene so no so ne vika o mean ka uzianone onye properties renyi or not contain aguvi nature nove any antifungal and any antibacterial properties in a name and anameka ovovozoza yo ochenwu onreka isana okwana amoza do koze okwana me ororo but ever buku so I didn't pay me to petete so in a jin Miss Kamakao ni abisonome inocheun for example me dysentery me high blood pressure more diarrhea me diabetes and so many other things. Even some people may not really appreciate bitter leaf due to its bitter taste. It's not so velvica. ezenyi enesire yuzi agobe konyere eja akanyina da kanyina tetere o anyina abane da abonyere ya no ho na onyere ya no ra ho na it can only do little like this dekoko more okoro baba but onyere ya no oyinan anyi po onyere no ahonovin so anyi po nova ame inenwoza so only the kanyina abonyere ya nikozi in fa amana nyina kiki an oze and wa sitting na person wa me uvereka when I say abesana me ovika like enwe pehu ani mi ne no we video amenene uvereka uzi mise John then we ne pezanene asuzi jo we ne po efo asuzi jo we ne pichakoro wanyon suzi jo we ne pe bato wanyon suzi jo you know even aviani kene wa kunyanda do hoko never see to renew because me hoko but we me dan and then manyo money me the manager kiki the missy to the ma here mama na drive the man who's koron so uvereka health benefit ani you know the unye badu we re o memezoza neun you know the health benefit it's outstanding and it's so fantastic as in it's really good. So by the time you try out this bitter leaf, you would also know that the health benefit is to be considered as against the taste. Okay, so because sometimes you can even wash the leaves and then you can drink the juice. But mind you, you still need to learn what volume you need to take because that is very crucial. And where ye oponovrokawehu do jokene do wazahu ore baba orezoza. So we see kawayo mevrokawe melo uzi do wasite nyochenwao do wase river so okwana azamao wanya get in touch bury me then or see message see comment tini video non then they me do see number otizo agove mavare mahio mera eva see number me yo nene ati email am at the end of this presentation. Okay, so esen your name Miss Kamaka bro so nyimado we change or ayao ene po uzi we ruzi do whatever de sobanye yo nyimado wa sobanye yo wanyo baze o whether kanyo baze wanyo suno ko pukiti anare edu onu ruvanra ajiro manezare here to shotore mare here do ne does na anyuzi do ochan the stem cut the stem I mean the stem like this anyu me mada then do short chirete but were konyi do red dosa do short ni jongo do kentini jongo no do na what ni jongo no for like a month only to 1 month uvereka is beginning to sprout so sinyi ma sprout do re nya vie tetere ini jongo na enyi ya avo no voyin na avo da anyu me mere enyi maybe do re nya vie he you know like avie he himba do we ravia ne mejene then do show gun do sitting tesu or do sitting no container ono wa akwara nesi chirisato uvere kovenyi do de metere. So begin to have a change of mind. If you're not eating bitter leaf before, begin to incorporate it into your diet because it's very good. Now I want to give a list of it's on your nome mes kamasio list aneve de mazare kaunene it's on your no is your no name and I say he because mes video no godo but maka and were reta do reka it's only me list hizo anyam kata no nonyen one young get in touch bury him then we take it from there and we see kama mi video no ni konkonya of each health condition on uzime. Comment below and let me know and I'll make time to take them one after the other, but you know that's not or I say godobaba video no mama say godobaba as a nyonyi data oire ono medure kame akwa kare quickly boranin. So it lowers high blood pressure, number 1 on my list, that the way I have written them out. It lowers high blood pressure. It helps it clears stomach upset. When stomach upset in our varadu using it will help you to clear out your stomach. Then it fights bitter leaf fights free radicals. Free radicals obviously nehi no chenwana eka ozoza no rokeneto enye there is or ozoza like ohe onoza quote no chenwu ana because of buying excessively you know isere nya nozari anaika do start zo do jineto he uzivana clean and ikozi amadu make sure ka we kokori se na evoro kawari where there is never kawari danyi okwana azamaun pemi kare me va see advice yo then it prevents the risk of cancer. Yes, I'm telling you this. It prevents the risk of cancer. If you care to know more, you can get in touch with me privately and then we would have a talk about it. Then it improves metabolism. Metabolism of a ochenwa memese donye yam yam donye wilo ekwete even though wa vera day ono medure kenwa yonon. Yeah, Vera, but we are still able to jump around and to get into an active life. So if you need your metabolism to be alive, to be awake, bitter leaf is one of the things that you need to be eating in your diet. Then it clears fever. And we monya mangora hono. De rashona sevitin yela hono or eja hono no ata na ne one after some hours then one renyi mangora. Although Jimmy recover me and that is as a result of an infection, you know. So Jimmy reka okay and yon dimi ma Susie yon dimi Kenya ni kiki and dimi tablespoon e tie on, you know. Oh nyere day oh me heke but ma voice say yo and na Bible and yara yeka uzi onye omogun voka ozanyi fever do help or mema help with Rivanovika uzi or neutralize or infection in ochon or make it happen do na ma is a panerica here targent do we then or me diabetes is a bit tricky we see kawaye or me rokawe melo ye diabetes that ka cause only sugar tinanya baba ezenyo only diabetes do banyan ezenyo only diabetes or ban but ozona only diabetes are in pemikare so that they are sure they are cut of a day. Then it improves fertility in women. Yes, and that is true. Very, very, very true. I want to meyane mmevede ye uzwe of a jonon or a go 40 jono uzwe of a very young doko no ni hypertension. So I don't hypertension doko I go cow no ya banana ko power and so as me ko cause of ovene so the minima de mama gumvoyon and one daughter hindo okonyi do okonye high blood pressure so e join in check up e do e vone e do adokitani that okay a so hore so honene level and me wa honene level do meka asozuzien so e je mera mogumvo nutrition yo de mera suvo pay evuzi ken I'm just giving you an example meme gozo voice on is sorry zo me ino chen onyo no oro avidi mozi eva do kuku mozi no e seve so e je me mogumvo yo de high blood pressure ni don normal that they do adokita ni de shohore swahono de kasarin oyo meme voro come mala yewa doko no yen so that's a shop because blood pressure wara normal adokita ni very review all your condition they decide anye kaso honan but aso honan da kavata matanta wa rove 10 poro de reka we stable da basha honan ohwo no oya kozari donyi made jem ojani boran and agora yetan Uzi was one of the things on me loyal and abimeme come the lifestyle and do changing oboboro jedo de mujane kweren ayakonye katanan so Uzi is one of the things and I improve fertility inonyene o me konyene wadakanye unkato ujoima bono wama wanye fibroids emi me yato amanye fibroid da amame kokonye fibroid my lifestyle changed and I knew that I wasn't living eating or having a wrong lifestyle but isenye me why koche wonye ne especially oza avera or dora ino me kawa mozi do we mozi no many or isenya na cause fibroids no do sha avoid even but the Jimmy knowledge on the most say apply and oboboro fibroid nan and the me meje metetere ndo muri of us wa me is so Uzi is very powerful we see kawa yo mevro kawelu get in touch with me avoid the yozo na anya nkatononin jevo and him every Uzi kene is about total lifestyle change, complete lifestyle change in my career nanin then or control the hormones and wany premenopausal symptoms or menopause wara menopause the one hot flushes in then wa nwora the here to perika wado say jine hiresoza you know da nyome ba e kata wenwe nwa wa kata nwa azo wani da dokita da ko menopause yon akwa ho no bigirigu we la ho now dey ama anye ke soro no ware umemesibu pe nwa lifestyle change we needing. Then Uzi is one of the things that we can use for hormonal balances. Many hormonal imbalances, and I know how it affects me. And over in mama ye, the most say ni madam Suzy tine soriam, the me ne pam, then Dani memerario and Danya Wanozare, Evosario kennel, because you also have to be careful so you don't have an overdose, cover affect organ cell, because you can't be taking care of one and then you'll be hurting the other part of your life. Avonini, then already help weight loss, or ban you do is kawa koron. Another cover agenda car here or I saw here, Miss Kamahori, but it's not quite messy, the brand that call Zorioso. My eki Nigeria day, eto carton. Ever buzz of us or bayana nyeke hano of us a resa or ekatari agovicos is cause of quarrel. As any dairy, a over any more exercise another amen, any so bururi. Then the unimazoa, then the impact tani will be coming to the organs or the record see and was your sa. So my advice is, yeah, and sorry here, it's all on a worry daily. Why am I me? Those that are affordable to the middle class and those that are not even below the middle class, you know, Uzi is one of the things on union low we see how we lose weight. So talk to me and I will educate you on how to use bitter leaf for weight loss. Then it helps treat infections. Like I told you, me fever, vam infection, you know, and infections such as surface wounds, like uzi, then typhoid fever and ear infection. Oje monyaro ni ear infection da iko. Ije ma shona seviti de ye clean uta no pereka de ye clean. Ije ni ma kare that ma easy boundaries ameya. So dim da ikuzi me se meyon. Poro chanye yeva netina seviti and ora that she has outgrown it ora avoso kuhuni stage or no ear infection or no vazama wa ekazwe yini isi re nya na ko to hen we ageni we treat us on for the treat us. Okay, the respiratory tract diseases like respiratory tract diseases for tight chest and isi re young cause and there could be secondary or primary cause. But once you have done your investigation and you know, I mean, by way of doing tests, now you now know why you are having upper respiratory tract infection, then bitter leaf is one of the things that could be used in your diet to help you cure your respiratory tract diseases. The mouth inflammation, and woman jatana mozavo or woman mozanirare da no anashangwe mavo maeke yeah about certain things. Uzi is one of the things, so you can just wash it, you know, hold it in your mouth and gargle your mouth with it. It will go away. Then tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is maeke about no ye ka or one is a nani ani orihana sioza. Within the period of 6 months, anaika is consistent. And as any overall tuberculosis so especially in this age and time, anaika HIV vanagwete, AIDS vanagwete, and was on their immunity will be low. Bodyguard then ekoko strong. So and when you can support with bitter leaf juice. Like I will always say, please seek knowledge, seek to know your dosage. Talk to me. Email me or send me WhatsApp message. At the end of this presentation, I'm going to give you my number and my email address. Now, the botanical name, that is an agricultural name. I want to simplify my terms like that. Agricultural name is actually called botanical name. That is the scientific name of bitter leaf. It's called Venona amygdalene. Venona amygdalene. I wrote it down. That's why I'm reading to you. Venona amygdalene. That is the botanical name. You can check it on Google. Then do ye ka erehi bitter leaf or non. And this bitter leaf contains vitamin A, contains vitamin C, vitamin E, but vitamin B1 and vitamin B2 and vitamin K. And that is the more reason why it is very high in fiber as well. So I think this is the end of my presentation today. Remember that I said that bitter leaf contains vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B1, B2, okay, and then it contains vitamin E, and it's also very high in fiber. If you want to know more, please contact me. If you are outside South Africa, you can use +27 744 55 1971. I come again. For outside South Africa, +27 744 55 1971. That is my WhatsApp number on this project. And then my email address is mercyudom, as in one word, MERCYUDOM @gmail.com. Email me and I'll respond to you. Thank you, Avonini, for listening, and I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. I pray God will guide us, God will improve our health and every other area of our lives, and we shall be healed. We will live to fulfill destiny, and ignorance will not steal our joy. May we seek knowledge so we don't get consumed by ignorance. That is my prayer for us today by the grace of God. God bless you for listening. Avonini, Osedejoke.